Well, if you're a beginner guitarist, maybe an intermediate one, and you've been thinking that Rush is out of your league, well, you're wrong. I mean, except for all those crazy hard solos and amazing riffs from Alex Lifeson. But in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of their biggest hits, and just the chords versions are a blast to play. That was Fly By Night. You saw I did the full version, and then an even easier one, just a couple chords. And I've got 2 other big hits. So let's just shut up and get to it. Oh yeah, I'm Steve, but who cares? All right, let's kick it off in A major with Closer to the Heart. Now, yes, it has a super intricate intro. I showed you how to play that in a different video. It's definitely not easy, so check that out. But we'll hit the chords version here at the first verse. It goes, and the G, D, G, A major. A major, G, D, A, G. I love how it reverses right there. D, A, G. You know, does it again a couple times. The blacksmith, A, G, D, G, A, G, D, A, G. Yeah, closer to the heart. You know, all that rocks up, sort of builds up. D, A, G. Give it some palm muting to really stop it. And then it hits this crazy solo with Alex Lifeson where it goes D, G, C, simulate that right there. You can palm mute, get some weird strumming. D, and then that's when it goes, you know, all that stuff at the beginning, but then it kicks it off again. Same chords I just showed you, D, all right, that's Closer to the Heart, really simplified, but even if you just strum the chords along with the record, it's a blast and sounds really cool. All right, let's go to number 2. It's in D major. I showed you how to play Fly By Night, the fast version at the very beginning of this video, so rewind if you want. I'll play it slow here, ready? I'll show you this version, then I'll show you the even easier chords version. D major, give it 2 good pops like this. The first one had a palm mute after it, hear that? The second one rang out. Then lay your finger down on the 3rd fret of the high E and B strings like that. And then lay this one down for an A major. So you're really playing an A major with this finger, so that's the open A string, 2nd of the D, and 2nd of the G, but because you had the 3rd fret of the B and the E, does that really cool version of A major, and then you do this walk up, ready? Open A string, 2nd, 3rd, and you're really in a C major area right here, so 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the D string with the open G, and go like this. Remember, you had this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, so you're hitting those parts of a C major and then upward picking the 3rd fret of the B and the G strings. And then go down 1 fret on that A string, and you're leaving the D open and the G open, and go like this. So that's the 2nd fret of the A string. And again, an upward pick on that B string. And I'll show you all this in just again in a second. Then open A string, and here's where you gotta stretch. I'm hitting the 1st fret of that A string, hitting the D, and then 1 more upward pick on that 3rd fret of the B and the G string. And then to an A major, regular A major, and if you can, just sort of lift up that B string to where the B string is open, and back to an A major. All together slowly. Couple times, and then the chords go like this. So this is an easier version. D, A. You can either hit a regular A major or just, you know, you can hit that 1 chord that I showed you. But even if you do D, D, A, maybe emphasize the low ones, doesn't sound as good if you emphasize the high. C, and now if you just hit that note alone and that down to the A major, you could really fake it if you get some power. Ready? Hear that? You just play those things with just that little walk down on the 3rd fret, 2nd, 1st open of that A string, and you really sound like you got some power. Then it goes into the chorus. That sounds harder than it is. Just a couple chords. G, D, C, G, G, D, D, A, dibba, dibba, dibba. G, D, C, G, and it does that same little walk up. And if you want to play the hard version, do it. Otherwise, the easier version is. Yeah, just emphasize the low note to A and back to D. Now, one cool thing I'll show you, it goes. It's really easy, right? When you hit that G, you're on the 3rd fret, slide it up to the 5th fret on the B and E strings. Give it 2 good pops. Okay, you don't have to know all the solos, all the notes. You don't even have to play that hard part right there, and you're good to go. All right, let's go to number 1 here. This one's even easier. It's Working Man in E major. Really sweet here. So you play E major, you know, good pop on the low notes right there. You can bar it if you want to like that, but I'll give you the note version, the single note version first, and we'll do some chords. Ready? That's the open E string a couple times. That's the 10th fret right there, because it's the D chord. We'll come back to that in a second. 10th fret of the E, and slide it down to the 5th fret. Together. Does it again. Now you go here to the 8th fret. That's a C chord. We'll show that in a second. And hit it again and slide it up to the 10th fret right there. So that's that one. Really cool. And if you want to do the chords version, E, D, A major, E, and then C to D, or you can do a bar chord like that, a C major bar chord to a D major bar chord. You get some power. Ready? D, A. Then it goes down, 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 down. E, D. So you can do an E major to a D major. G, down in, G, A. I guess that's what I am. And I'll show you those notes real quick. It goes. It's really not that hard. A 7th fret of the A. Tuning's out a little bit. I'm tune that dude up. Right there. 7th of the A, 7th of the low E string, and go like this. Slide it down 2 frets. And then slide that one down to the 3rd fret of the low E string and put this one on the 5th fret of the A string like that and go. And slide it up 2 frets. And then E major. That one, you can pretty much sound just like the record, again, except for Alex's solo, and you're good to go. All right, I'd love to hear what you think about these 3, and give me some more suggestions. Next up, for beginners, I'll do La Via Strangiato, Red Barchetta. No, I'm just kidding. Those are going to be way too hard, but maybe I'll find some more. All right, catch you around. Thanks.